Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to Five Oaks Farm. Today I'm going to be installing, or I should say replacing, a gate. See our front gates here? They overlap and they don't make sense. So I got another gate over here. This big one right behind me, that's a 16-foot gate. We're going to take that one off and put it across the driveway, and then move the two that are at the driveway to the spot over here. So that's what I'll be doing today. What I have to do now is these hooks here are going to have to go on the back side here because the gate is larger than this space, which is kind of nice because it'll land up against the two brick walls. But I'm going to drill the holes here and down there, and then it'll go and land 4 inches past this spot here. And then it'll be one solid gate, and then we want to put up a automatic solar gate, so that'll be in the future too. She ain't going nowhere.
Now we just have to repeat that 3 times?
Yeah, and I'll probably add some stuff in here, squirt some stuff in there just to keep it more solid. But it should hold as long as I hope for, and then if it doesn't, I'll just put in some kind of anchor.
Good job, babe.
Thanks. Alright, so now I gotta switch these brackets and turn them right here. Turn these the opposite way, so I can get these on here right, so they're not smashing up against the brick. Need a new wheel. Here. You know, for the last year I've neglected to just raise a gate. You'd think the project would be easy, but it never is.
No.
Took a whole lot more tools than I imagined for just to lift a gate.
Nothing ever goes as planned.
But now we have this Gucci hole right here. We call it the Gucci hole because our rooster could never fly, so it would always leave the other chickens on the other side and just scream. So we open this up. Now all the chickens use it, and now that I raised it, I'm afraid they're gonna probably trip over it.
Yeah. Hey, Loretta Hen, can you get through? Oh, she did fine.
She fine. I was hoping she'd trip.
Yeah. Well, today has definitely not gone as planned. I couldn't even start a fire, and the gates have taken way longer than expected. And we are trying to leave town tomorrow, and we have got nothing prepared for leaving town.
No. Oh, we got the bikes changed.
Oh yeah.
That's for the next weekend trip.
The kids, yeah, washed their bikes because they were covered in barn dust for our upcoming camping trip. But so we've gotten a few things done.
Yep.
Any last words? No.
I'm done with gates.
All right, so it's windy. I hope you guys can hear me. I have had a hard time keeping this fire lit today because everything's wet. So I brought out the big guns. I have the weed torch. This thing does scare the Evans of a mess out of me. But it's the only way I'm gonna get this fire going today. So I am going to burn it.
Style is the answer to everything. Fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. You do a dangerous thing with style, that's what I call it.
White. This one's black. Yeah, I want some.
So this is the part we're going to replace. The part in here is all broken and cracked. Right now I have it taped together to last for a little bit, but now we got the new one. It seems a lot smaller.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll do. It's going to have to work.
You need to hold that from spinning?
So much tape. I'm trying to get the tape off.
I can do it. Oh, that's okay. Strong. Apparently. Yeah, that one looks like it will fit.
Nothing.
No. I made it just long enough.
Oh, are you serious? You can't squeeze it out?
This is terrible. They made this just long enough where I can't get them out. Get it out. Oh, that worked. Easily been inspected.
Is it enough?
Maybe. Here, you can lift up and I can pull out. No. That. That canvas is about to fall off.
Woo woo.
In there.
So it was cracked.
People always gotta call when you're busy.
They never stop calling you.
Yeah.
Yep.
I can really feel it from here. And I'm not even in it.
Which
Oh yeah, so obviously you can see it had to come back out. It did not work. Way too small. Didn't blow any cold air. So I'll be going to the camper store tomorrow and we'll try this again.
Yay.
Yeah.
Redo. Poor
Only a
guy.
few bloody knuckles.
Oh my gosh, babe. It's terrible. Enjoying our popsicles at the end of a long, hard, hot day.
Please like and subscribe so you never, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Bye.